That happens all the time now. Texting while driving has accelerated or advanced the number of automobile cases. A person who's talking on the telephone while they're driving is, of course, they're going to be distracted. There have been laws that have passed locally where you can't talk on your telephone while you're driving. You certainly shouldn't be texting on your phone while you're driving. In all cases that are in dispute, in automobile accident cases, all cases that I have to take into litigation, all trucking cases that I've had over the last several years, one of the first things that is asked for when we're just asking for documents and information on a case is we want the cell phone record, not only of our client but of the other person involved in the accident. We want to be able to go back through their provider and see if at the time of the accident they were on their phone. And they have a very critical effect on a case. And it can be used against my client. For example, my client is driving through an intersection and they have a green light and they're doing everything they're supposed to be doing, but they're on the phone at the same time. They're texting, looking down, texting while they're going through the intersection, and another person runs the red light, they're at fault, hits them and injures them. If the case goes into litigation, if it's going to be disputed in the courts, then the defense attorney is certainly going to obtain that phone information. He is going to make the argument that my client wasn't paying attention to what they were doing, even though they had the green light, even though they had the right of way, and his client did not, and caused the accident which injured them. They're still going to use it against you. They're going to use it to persuade a jury that maybe you're at fault too. And maybe any recovery that you could get from a jury should be reduced per your fault, per your percentage of negligence in a case. So first I tell people don't do it. It's something that all lawyers look for when they're investigating a case, particularly when they're in litigation. For more information, go to AaronAllisonLawFirm.com.